I'm going to go ahead and replace our upstream O2 sensor located right in the top of our exhaust manifold. I'm going to locate our connector for our forward mounted O2 sensor. And there's a little tab on the back side. I'm going to reach on in there and press on that little tab. Sometimes these little spring tabs are a little tough to depress. Go ahead and pull that connector off. And pull that back and out. I'm going to drop down our 7/8 inch oxygen sensor socket with our swivel. Get that on there. And go ahead and loosen that. Once that breaks free, you got to reach right on down there and unthread the O2 sensor from the manifold. Go ahead and remove that. Our O2 sensor has a crush washer on it, and it comes with a little bit of anti-seize compound on the threads. You're going to lower this down into place. And you want to go ahead and start that by hand. Now as you're threading it in, you're going to go ahead and spin the harness with it so you don't twist up those wires and break them. Get that sensor down as far as you can. Let's go ahead and get our socket back down onto the new unit here, and let's go ahead and tighten that down. You want to make sure you tighten it down enough so that crush washer is seated, and that will pretty much snug it right down. You'll feel it bottom out. Go ahead and run your harness up underneath. Just want to go ahead and line that up with our other side of the connector. And you're going to press that in. And you press it and you feel it and hear it snap into place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.